Hello everyone, today we're reviewing OxyEnergy Lipo Shred, a fat burner supplement claiming to torch stubborn fat, boost energy, and help you get shredded. But does it actually work, or is it just another overpriced caffeine pill? Let's break down the science and reality. So Lipo Shred is marketed as an advanced cutting formula designed for athletes and fitness enthusiasts trying to lose body fat. It is manufactured by Titan Nutrition and contains ingredients like caffeine anhydrous, 220 milligrams per serving, green tea extract for thermogenesis, theobromine, cayenne extract for metabolism boosts, and compounds like DMAE and L-tyrosine for focus and mood. The product claims to increase metabolic rate, boost energy, suppress appetite, remove excess water weight, and preserve muscle mass during cutting phases. But is it legit? Yes, Oxy Energy and LipoShred are legitimate products from real supplement companies. The company responds to customer inquiries and appears to operate legitimately within a 30-day policy. It's not a scam in the sense of being completely fraudulent or stealing your money. But does it actually work? Here's the honest science. Liposhred contains some ingredients that do have research backing mild weight loss effects. Caffeine can slightly boost metabolism and energy levels, which may help with workout performance. Green tea extract has shown modest fat burning properties in some studies. These effects are real but small. We're talking about potentially burning an extra 50 to 100 calories per day, not dramatic fat loss. However, this is a strong stimulant-based supplement with 220 milligrams of caffeine per 2 capsule serving, that's more than 2 cups of coffee, plus additional stimulants. You're essentially getting a high caffeine energy boost that makes you feel like it's working. Here's the reality check. Independent reviews note that while LipoShred may aid in weight loss, it's primarily through the stimulant effect giving you more energy to work out harder, not through magical fat burning properties. The product appears to be marketed towards bodybuilders and figure competitors, not casual dieters. Most importantly, the chance of experiencing side effects is relatively high with this product. Common issues include jitters, anxiety, increased heart rate, insomnia, digestive problems, and crashes when the stimulant wears off. The manufacturer even warns it's not suitable for anyone with health issues or those who have tried stimulant supplements before. Like many fat burners, LipoShred uses proprietary blends for some ingredients, though individual quantities are provided for key compounds. This makes it hard to verify all ingredients are at effective doses. Some ingredients have questionable evidence. Here's what you need to know. Fat burner supplements does not replace proper diet and exercise. They might provide a small boost if you're already doing the work. The energy increase from caffeine can help you push harder in workouts, which indirectly supports fat loss. But you could get similar effects from drinking coffee and taking a multivitamin for much less money. The water weight claims are real. Stimulants and certain ingredients can cause temporary weight loss, making you look leaner. But that's not fat loss, it's just dehydration, and it comes back when you rehydrate. The final verdict, OxyEnergy Lipo Shred is a legitimate product. Not a scam, but does it deliver dramatic fat loss? No, it's an expensive caffeine supplement with some research-backed ingredients at potentially effective doses. If you're an experienced athlete tolerating stimulants well, it might give a small itch. But for most people, your money is better spent on quality food and a good training program. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.